if you're working with SAP Cloud Integration and want to work with Git, there's a number of different ways that you can use Figaf to help you with this. So here we have an iflow, and if we go here to it, we have a script here. We can go in and say, let's just change this, add git demo to the text. We can obviously open it Figaf. That's easier if we just want to check if it is doing correctly. We will save it as a version number 23, and then we can synchronize this to Figaf. So Figaf will work on events or whenever a user says there's something that has changed and we want to update this. We can see that synchronizing, we find a new iflow and a new script, an updated script. What will then happen is we will move this into our Git process, and we can now see that this iflow has been updated. We can see it is 22 to 23, and we can see this. There's obviously sometimes other things happens with the BPMN model. That's why we have a graphical viewer for it. But we can see that the code has been updated here. This is happening via Figaf that is synchronizing these things. So let's go to our Git repository. So here we will fetch this. And then we will update it, and we can see we got the Git demo here. And then obviously we can go in and work on this body, whatever split. Oh. Not really sure that makes sense. But maybe 2 lines is much better. One of the things that we have added, so when we're working with this Git repository, we have already provided a lot of templates to work with this. So there is, if we look here, there's a number of Gradle templates that is being built that allow you to actually work smart and efficient with these tools. One of the things you will also notice is that we have added each iflow into packages. That means that all of your integration artifacts will be in one Git repository, making it a lot easier. You don't need to give access to all the different developers to work on these separate scenarios. So as a developer, I will work on these scenarios. I will add my non-useful functions to this. One of the things we do have here is we have the functionality to select upload. So now we can see it has been uploaded, and we can also select deploy, which will then execute this iflow and starting deploying it. So if we go back, so if you make external changes, you will need to update it here. Update the iflow, and then hopefully we will be able to see that there's a new version that has been deployed, and it is in draft, because when we're uploading, we are uploading in draft mode. There is ways that you in the configuration can go in and change that. Externalized parent deployment status, so we can see it was started and it is this 23. So in here, there in some of the templates down here under the Gradle settings, we do have a number of different settings, and there's also specific project settings. You can go in and say whether or not you should upload a draft version or a real version, and this just makes it a lot easier for you to do. So this synchronization is not meant for users to synchronize all the integration content back into CPI, but use these Gradle, or just use import to select the file that they want to upload that, and then use the folder structure to do searches of different content. If you want to see how we have created a specific Groovy script in a different scenario, then you can use this as a way to handle these scenarios. It's just one simple way to manage all of these different integrations, making it easier for developers to work on these things without having to have a Git experience. So it is more like a file share with all your integration, with obviously all the versionings that is happening and being able to see what's going on. I do hope that you like this and you can see how this could benefit you in setting up a Git process to manage some of these scenarios. Yeah, you can find more about the Figaf and Git and some of the challenges on the Figaf side. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like, please hit the share, so other people also will see this. Thank you.